Hello friends, welcome back to Ghore BaiRe Bengali. Today, we've come to GT Enterprise at Wellington Market, Kolkata. We started from Belgharia at around 11:30 a.m. and rode through BT Road, Janbazar, Chitpur, Central Kolkata, Sealdah, and finally Wellington Market. The main reason for today's visit is to install a visor on our bike. I had wanted one for a long time, but due to both my brother's and my office schedules, we couldn't manage the time. Finally, we got a day off and came here directly. At GT Enterprise, we found two visor options, matte black and transparent. We chose the transparent one because the matte finish was covering part of the indicator, which could affect visibility and safety. The transparent visor keeps the indicator clearly visible and also gives the bike a cleaner look. The visor cost 1500 rupees, with 300 rupees fitting charge, so the total was 1800 rupees. Finally, the installation is done, and honestly, one thing I really want to mention when riding in a busy city like Kolkata: road safety and following traffic rules are extremely important. No matter how much of a hurry we are in, we should always follow traffic signals, speed limits, and road signs. While riding a bike, always wear a proper helmet, use indicators correctly, avoid unnecessary overtaking or zigzag riding, and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front. Especially in Kolkata traffic, patience is very important. Breaking signals or riding on the wrong side just to save a few minutes can lead to serious accidents. And of course, never use your phone while riding, and never ride under the influence of alcohol. In my opinion, a good rider isn't the one who rides the fastest. A good rider is someone who keeps themselves and other people on the road safe. So, always follow traffic rules. Control your speed, wear your helmet, and ride responsibly. Safe ride, stay safe. I really liked the new look.